Hello. I'm Spider-Man. Forgot who I was. I'm Spider-Man. All right. Welcome to April, week 3, day 2. Okay? So, we are still learning about flowers. I hope Mom showed you a couple of those videos that I posted for you. You'll learn all sorts of really cool stuff. But I wanted to read you our All About Flowers book again, okay? So that you are an absolute flower expert. All right, here we go. All About Flowers. Flowers are everywhere. They can be many different colors and sizes. Flowers have 5 parts: the roots, stem, leaves, petals, and seeds. Each part has an important job. The roots soak up water and minerals from the soil. They store food for the flower. The roots keep the flower in place. The stem supports the plant. It carries the food, water, and minerals through small tubes like a straw for the flower. The leaves use sunlight to make energy for the plant through photosynthesis. That was our tricky word, photosynthesis. They also breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. The seeds are in the part of the flower called the ovary. Seeds are hard shells that hold baby flowers and nutrients inside. The petals are bright and colorful to attract insects and birds. They help spread pollen from flower to flower so seeds can be made. Flowers need 4 things to grow. They need soil, they need sunlight, they need water, they need air. And, upside down. This is our flower life cycle, okay? Do you remember how it moves around? It has a seed, then a sprout, then a seedling, then a plant, and then it flowers. And then the flower dies and down goes the seeds, and it just goes round and round and round, and that's a life cycle. Okay? You guys are so smart. All right, so in your book, in your packet, you have a little book called I See Flowers. And this is a book I want you to read over and over and over and over and over again, okay? I want you to read it. Maybe you can find your grandma and grandpa on FaceTime or Zoom and you can read it to them. Read it to your dog, read it to your mom, read it to your dad, read it to your stuffed animals. Practice lots and lots, okay? Because it has our sight words and we want to be really good at seeing them, okay? So this is I See Flowers, all right? And we use that reading finger. Show Mom how we do it. Use that reading finger and touch each word as you read it, okay? And color it beautiful so you can practice. We need those strong hand muscles for kindergarten, okay? Baby scribble, you're not a baby, so no scribbling, all right? Practice coloring, strong hand muscles for kindergarten, okay? Now, we have another special letter for today. It is different. Yesterday, we did the letter A, says A and A. Today, we're gonna learn another special letter. Do you know what this one is? Do you remember? E. And E says E, and E says E. It's another special letter that has 2 sounds. So it says E and E. Pretty cool, right? So, with Mom, you're gonna get out your grandma or grandpa or Mimi, whoever you're with, and you're gonna do your letter E paper, okay? So show her how awesome you are, because we've already practiced E's. So you should be able to say easy peasy lemon squeezy, okay? So do those E's, find those sounds that say E's, but really, really practice writing them, okay? Because when you're in kindergarten, you gotta know how to write your letters, okay? So practice, all right? And we are gonna do E is for eel, and eels are slimy and they're slithery through the water, okay? So you could maybe color yours purple or blue or or black, whatever you want to color, and give them an eye. And you could even, sometimes eels have sharp teeth, so you could even give them some sharp teeth if you wanted to, okay? And then practice writing those E's and write your name down at the bottom, okay? Awesome possum. All right, then we're on to our number of the week. Do you remember our number? It's a big one. Do you remember what it is? 9. You ready to help me count? Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So awesome. Right? Now, to make the number 9, let's do our handy dandy poem. Are you ready? Here we go. Around the circle and the line, that's the way to make a 9. Easy peasy, right? You guys can do that. Circle and a line. Easy peasy. Okay, now here is where you got to get out your sweetest, most darling face. And you got to look at mom. And you got to bat your eyes and ask her if she'll let you be just a little bit mousy. Okay? Because if you can promise to make really good choices and maybe be a tiny bit messy, mommy might let you practice the number 9 in some shaving cream. Okay, but don't eat it because shaving cream is gross. Okay, you just use it for your skin. Or maybe if she doesn't have shaving cream, you could do some lotion or some soap or something on the counter, something fun that you could make a tiny little mess. But you have to promise to be really careful, okay? No big messes, okay? And then we also have another 9 paper where you can put on 9 things. Maybe you could go on a scavenger hunt and look outside and try to find 9 things, like maybe 9 leaves or 9 sticks or 9 bugs. Ooh, maybe don't bring bugs. Don't do bugs, that'd be gross. But glue them on your 9 and then write your 9, okay? Easy peasy. All right, the last thing we have to do today, I'm super excited about. So excited about, okay? So you have your yellow paper and you're gonna decorate it any way you want to, okay? Maybe you're gonna draw Spider-Man on there. Maybe you're gonna do a Pokemon. Maybe you're gonna do hearts. All right, maybe you want hearts. Maybe draw a picture of your family. Maybe you're gonna draw, I'm gonna draw some little swirlies. All right, but honestly, you get to decorate it any way you want to. You could add stickers, you could add some glitter glue, whatever you want to do, okay? Then, once you've made it all beautiful on this side, you're gonna turn it over to the plain side, okay? And then on the bottom, I'm gonna have to put some little sticks of glue. You're gonna put some glue, a little bit of glue on the bottom, so tiny you can hardly even see what I did. And you're gonna grab these tissue papers that I gave you. All right, and you're gonna stick it right on that glue, okay? Try to stick a whole bunch of them on here. I'm gonna try to get some more. Let me put some more glue on here, okay? I'm gonna stick lots of colors. Now you might not have the same colors as me. We might all have different colors, and that is totally fine, okay? So whatever colors you have, maybe you wanna only use the green ones because you really like green. That's totally fine too, okay? But you're just gonna stick on your pieces, all right? So on the back, I stuck all my tissue papers. So see on the front, so pretty. Now, here's the part you will need mom's help with, okay? Because you're gonna curl it around and you're gonna either tape it or staple it. But look at that, now you have a windsock. Ooh. And the coolest part is you can take it outside and the wind will blow it around. You can just hold it still and it'll go like this. And it's super pretty, okay? So once you've got it all dry and done, take it outside and see how the wind blows. Because you can't see wind, it's like magic. All of a sudden your windsock will start blowing. It's so cool, okay? But here's the deal. Would you also give your mommies and daddies super big hugs for me? Because last weekend you guys all came and surprised me and did that amazing parade, and it made me feel so special. My heart was so happy. It's still so happy because of what you guys did. So thank you so much for doing that. But would you give mommy and daddy a big hug for me, okay? I love you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.